probably one of the best broths for a pho that I've ever had.
This one does not disappoint.
And it even gets 4.9 stars on Google. And we also have a incredible looking pastry. Hi, I'm Melissa from Everyday Family Travel. Welcome to our Scottsdale food tour, where we are highlighting our favorite restaurants from our time in Scottsdale. Tonight we are trying out a restaurant called The Italian Daughter. This is about 30 minutes away from downtown Scottsdale. It gets amazing reviews. We have already ordered some calamari and shrimp for an appetizer, and then I ordered Papa's Cioppino, which is a seafood stew that I cannot wait to try. It's got lobster, shrimp, calamari inside, and Austin got the spaghetti carbonara, so we're really excited to try. We just got our appetizer. It is very lightly breaded, which I really appreciate. And it comes with a side of cocktail sauce, and also it tastes like a honey mustard sauce. It's really good. And it's a really big portion. So if you're with a large group, this would be a great option for you. And I'm excited to try some more.
All right, so I got the spaghetti carbonara, and I'm gonna dig in here. And we're gonna see how it is. That's really good. So there's some pork in there. It's got a little cheese and peas, and of course the pasta. And overall, I'm a fan usually of carbonaras, and this one's right up there. It's great.
Okay, I just got my Cioppino. It looks so good. This is a tomato-based broth with tons of different seafood in it. The bowl is huge. It's almost like a serving bowl. And then I also have a side of linguine, which they suggested to pair with it. And I'm excited to try it out. It's really good flavor of the broth. The seafood is very tender. So good. Really good so far. This morning we are trying out Grounds on Second. We had a pretty big dinner last night, so we just wanted some good coffee and just a little bit of breakfast. So we are sharing the breakfast croissant, and we each got an iced vanilla latte, which is kind of our go-to that we always love to try. So let's try them out. I really like that. It has a stronger espresso flavor than a lot of places, but it's not too sweet, which I always appreciate. And they have 3 different sizes, 12 ounce, 16 ounce, and 20 ounce. And yeah, that's really good. I definitely get that again. Okay, this is super good. It definitely seems like a homemade croissant. We got it with the Canadian bacon added. So it's Canadian bacon, cheese, really good eggs, all on this really fresh croissant. Definitely a winner. This sandwich also has a really interesting like creamy sauce on it with some dill in it, which like really makes it. This is like really good restaurant quality croissant from just this little coffee shop. You can really tell that the locals love this place, and it even gets 4.9 stars on Google, which is incredible. This morning we are headed to hike Pinnacle Peak Trail just north of Scottsdale, and we wanted a quick, easy breakfast, so we actually came back to Grounds on Second because we could not stop thinking about their croissant breakfast sandwiches, so we each got one of those. And then we tried new coffees today. I am trying the iced lavender latte. Let's see how it is. That's really good. A very true lavender taste, not like a fake lavender. still a really strong espresso taste. I think I prefer this one even over the vanilla latte, which is always my go-to. So very good. We are having lunch today at Karsen's Grill. It is right in downtown Scottsdale, and they have these huge sandwiches. They have tacos, salads, and burgers. They all look incredible. We got the Oak Creek, which has steak, peppers, queso, cheese, and then we got their house-made fries. We've also seen the onion rings look incredible, and we're excited to try it out. Okay, this was such a good pick. The steak is really tender. There's lots of good flavor in the peppers, and definitely enough for both of us to share. The fries are also really good. They're very well seasoned, not too greasy. Excellent. This afternoon, we are trying out Sweet Republic. This is a local handmade ice cream shop. There are a couple of locations. We are at the Old Town location in Scottsdale, and I am trying out the Real Mint Chip. It's made with organic local mint and real dark chocolate, and it looks delicious. I got it in the homemade waffle bowl. So let's try it out. Okay, it is so good. It is very mint flavored, but since they use real mint leaves, it's like just a true mint taste, not like mint flavoring. This is really, really good if you like mint.
All right, I got the brownie fudge swirl and the carrot cake. They're really good. This ice cream is really creamy, and I'm a sucker for chocolate and brownie, and this one does not disappoint.
Tonight we are trying out Viet Bites. This is a Vietnamese restaurant in North Scottsdale, and I ordered the chicken pho. It looks delicious. Austin ordered the chicken vermicelli. This restaurant actually gets 4.9 stars on Google. I can definitely see why this place gets such good reviews. The flavors are so fresh, the toppings are delicious, and probably one of the best broths for a pho that I've ever had.
All right, so I just tried the chicken vermicelli. It's super good. The lettuce is really crisp. All of the veggies in there are really fresh, and the sauce has a really light, nice flavor. And it's just really vibrant, and probably one of the better, if not the best, vermicelli dishes I've had.
Today for lunch, we are trying out Beginner's Luck in Old Town Scottsdale, and I am trying a delicious looking shrimp and crab roll with a side of cucumber salad, which looks equally as amazing. Austin is trying out the Cuban sandwich with home fries, and we also have a incredible looking pastry, which was called the Lucky Cream Bun. Okay, this shrimp and crab roll is absolutely delicious. I've had my fair share in the Northeast United States, and this is right up there with them. And then I really love this really fresh cucumber salad. It has pickled onions on top and kind of like a creamy dill dressing, and it's just really good for kind of a lighter side to go with that crab roll.
All right, so this Cuban is really good. There's pork, bacon, pimento cheese, little pickles, and some home fries to go with it. And it's got a little bit of heat too, so makes it really interesting, really nice, and it's quite good. This dessert is good, and it's actually surprisingly not incredibly sweet, which I really like. The presentation makes it look like it would be this sugar bomb, but it's really nice. The cream is really light. The chocolate cacao nibs are crunchy and not overly sweet, and it's it's actually kind of a light dessert, so it's really good.
Tonight we were craving a little bit of a healthier dinner, so we came over to the Original Chop Shop, which serves super healthy meals, lots of bowls, salads, sandwiches. I got this delicious Mexican bowl. Austin ordered a coconut chicken bowl that also looks really good, and it just tastes very fresh and healthy, and is just a really good option for when you're traveling but just really want something healthy for dinner. This morning for breakfast, we are trying out the Eleanor. This is like the cutest breakfast spot I've ever been to. I started out with a vanilla sage latte, which I have never had sage in a latte before. They make their syrups here in-house, and it's actually really good. Typically, restaurants don't have as good of coffee as like a really good coffee shop, but this is right up there with like the best coffee shops. So the interior of this place is so cute. So well designed, lots of like hanging plants and beautiful things around, and we've got some food coming here in just a little bit. Okay, I ordered the wild mushroom omelet, and it is delicious. It has wild mushrooms, caramelized onion, gyre, herbs, and it's very well cooked, very delicious. And then I also got a side of breakfast potatoes. They're not greasy at all. They're well seasoned. Just a really great breakfast.
All right, I got the breakfast hash, and so it has braised short rib, tomato, arugula, fingerling potatoes, and roasted Brussels sprouts. The short rib's really tender. It's really good. Everything works together really nicely. It has it also came with a sunny side egg on top. So it's really colorful and really full of flavor.
All right, we actually just got done kayaking the Salt River for about 6 miles, so we really wanted something quick and yummy to have for lunch, so we came to Toastique. They have gourmet toast, smoothie bowls, fresh pressed juices, and inside is really cute, and the presentation of all the food is just beautiful. I just tried this tuna toast, and it is really incredible. The flavors are so good. I don't think I've ever had a toast quite like this before. It has a balsamic drizzle and also an herb aioli on the entire thing. And this smoothie bowl is also really delicious. This is actually only a half. Austin and I are splitting it. So if you got a full smoothie bowl, it would be really big. And this place gets 4.9 stars on Google, and I can definitely see why. Everything looks so good. We even spotted some homemade like Reese's peanut butter cups in their fridge that we might have to try on the way out. So yeah, so far this is absolutely delicious and can't wait to dig in some more. That wraps up our Scottsdale food tour. If you're planning a trip to Scottsdale, check out the description for more videos covering our favorite things to do in the area. And don't forget to subscribe for more family-friendly travel guides just like this.